To enable and use the Seek to Dismiss feature on Galaxy Watch with Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, go to the app screen, find Wearable app, and then tap it. Tap Watch Setting. Next, tap Button and Gestures. Under Gesture section, tap the gray on off switch next to Seek to Dismiss until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this feature is on, you can easily decline incoming call or dismiss alerts such as alarm, timers, and reminders by rotating your wrist twice. As the example, we will use this feature to dismiss a timer. First, let's set a timer. When the timer is over, rotate your wrist twice like this to dismiss the timer. As a note, you have to remember that some apps can only be mute and not dismissed. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.